After a lot of waiting and leaks, Google has finally revealed the launch date of its next hyped smartphone, Pixel 4a. Google has also updated its Facebook and Twitter cover page. In the cover image, we can see a hole in the top left corner, which is clearly indicated towards the front camera of the Pixel 4a. On top of that, Google has also introduced a new Google Store page. The page contains Easter egg about the launch date. On the top of the page, we can see 6 black boxes which changes colors on clicking them. To unlock the Easter egg, all you have to do is match the color pattern of the Google logo, that is blue, red, yellow, blue, green, red. After a correct match, some text appears that says the Google just what you have been waiting for phone, and on the bottom the date 3rd August appears, which is most likely the launch date of Pixel 4a. On the mid we can see the lorem ipsum paragraph that contains some information about the device like video chat, TOR which is Latin for macro, low light capture, blur bokeh, long lasting battery. On bottom we can see a phone model in checkered patterns which matches the design of Pixel 4a. Now the main feature of the Pixel device is most certainly the camera. The Pixel 4a surely doesn't disappoint on that either. According to leaks, Pixel 4a will have similar camera specs as Pixel 4 with a 12.2 megapixel primary camera on the back and a 8 megapixel camera on front. And considering its expected price is around $399, which is around 29,900 rupees in India, it's quite a good deal. Now in terms of performance, Pixel 4a is coming with Snapdragon 730 chipset, which is the same as Moto One Fusion and Poco X2 with 6GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage. It will also have the Titan security chip. On the downside, due to the lack of solid radar chip or a 3D face unlocking tag, there will be no face unlock feature in Pixel 4a. The battery is rumored to be 3080 mAh, which to be honest is quite low as compared to today's standard. On the bright side, it comes with 18W fast charging. On a side note, although it is rare to see these days in smartphone, Pixel 4a is coming with a headphone jack. Being a Pixel device, Pixel 4a will come with stock Android 10 with no bloatwares and all of the Android 10 features along with a regular update. You can let us know what you think of the Pixel 4a in the comment section. We will inform you as more details surfaces for the device. Until then, this is Harshit from Droidate signing off.